Imagine taking one of the world's most legendary off-road SUVs and transforming it into the ultimate futuristic camper built for limitless adventure. That's exactly what this incredible Toyota Land Cruiser camper concept RV imagines. And by the end of this video, you'll see why so many adventure lovers are calling it one of the coolest concept campers ever created. At first glance, the design immediately grabs your attention. It still carries the bold and rugged Land Cruiser DNA, but everything has been reimagined for the future. Sharp LED lighting stretches across the front, muscular fenders give it an aggressive stance, and aerodynamic body panels make it look like it's ready to explore deserts, mountains, and even places where roads don't exist. But the real magic begins when you discover what's hidden inside. Unlike a traditional SUV, this futuristic concept transforms into a fully functional camper designed for people who love freedom. Imagine arriving at a remote lake, pressing a button, and watching sections of the camper expand to create a surprisingly spacious living area. Suddenly, your off-road vehicle becomes your home away from home. Inside, everything feels clean, modern, and incredibly luxurious. Large panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light while offering breathtaking views of your surroundings. The seating transforms into a comfortable sleeping space. Clever storage compartments maximize every inch, and a compact kitchen provides everything needed for cooking meals wherever your adventure takes you. One of the most exciting ideas behind this concept is smart technology. Picture a fully digital cockpit with massive displays replacing traditional gauges. Artificial intelligence could monitor road conditions, optimize power usage, recommend campsites, and even control lighting, temperature, and entertainment with simple voice commands. And because this is a vision of the future, sustainability plays a huge role. Imagine integrated solar panels built into the roof, continuously charging onboard batteries while you're parked in the wilderness. Combined with an advanced hybrid or fully electric powertrain, this camper could travel farther while producing fewer emissions, making long-distance adventures quieter and more environmentally friendly. Of course, no Land Cruiser would be complete without incredible off-road capability. This concept stays true to that legendary reputation. Massive all-terrain tires, adjustable air suspension, intelligent four-wheel drive, skid plates, and advanced terrain management systems would allow it to conquer rocky trails, muddy forests, sandy deserts, and snowy mountain passes with confidence. Now imagine waking up in the middle of nowhere. You open the camper door to a stunning sunrise over the mountains. Fresh coffee is brewing inside your compact kitchen while the solar system quietly recharges your batteries. There are no crowded hotels, no noisy cities, just you, nature, and complete freedom. That's the dream this concept is trying to capture. The exterior also includes clever camping features. Retractable awnings create instant shade. Hidden outdoor cooking stations make meal preparation easy. Roof storage holds extra gear. And built-in lighting transforms any campsite into a comfortable outdoor living space after sunset. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. Future driver assistance systems could include 360-degree obstacle detection, autonomous parking, advanced trail navigation, satellite communication for remote locations, and emergency power backup, giving travelers more confidence when exploring far from civilization. What's especially impressive is how this concept balances rugged capability with luxury. Many campers sacrifice comfort for toughness, while others are too large for serious off-roading. This futuristic Toyota Land Cruiser camper concept aims to combine both worlds into one exciting package, making it equally suitable for extreme expeditions and relaxing weekend getaways. Even though this is only a concept, it gives us a fascinating glimpse into what future adventure vehicles might become. As electric technology, smart systems, and compact camper designs continue to evolve, ideas like this seem more realistic every year. Who knows? Some of these futuristic features may soon find their way into real production vehicles. So what do you think? Would you take this futuristic Toyota Land Cruiser camper concept on your dream road trip, or would you change something to make it even better? Let everyone know in the comments below because I'd love to hear your ideas. If you enjoyed exploring this amazing concept, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next incredible camper, RV, and futuristic vehicle showcase. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.